Well, example 4, well-insulated electric oven is being heated through its heating element. Okay? Well, if the entire oven, including the heating element, is taken to be the system, we need to determine whether this is a heat or work interaction. Then I also ask you, how about the case that only the air in the oven without the heating element is taken as a system? So you will see the two pictures inside the solution. Okay. So the first one, you can see that we have taken the system so that the heating element is included. But here, the system boundary doesn't include a heat element. Okay. So can you tell me whether this kind of energy transfer is work or heat? Okay. So I give you some time to think about this. Okay. So I assume that you have done this question. So let us see the solution. Okay. So for the first one, for the heating element, well, as you can see, there should be some electron flowing towards this heating element. Okay. So here we can see that electron will go to this heating element. Okay. So that electron passes through the system boundary. Okay. So this should be a kind of work instead of heat, because we can see that electron passes through the system boundary. Okay. So that in this case, it should be in the form of work instead of heat. Okay, because there should be some electron flowing through this heating element and going to the original circuit afterwards. Okay. For the second case, we haven't included the heating element in this case. So what kind of energy transfer is this? In this case, because the electron cannot pass through the system boundary, the only possible way of energy transfer into this electric oven should be by heat. The heating element will be heated to a higher temperature, and the electrical energy inside this heating element has been converted to thermal energy, and that will be energy transfer due to temperature difference. So that is heat. Okay. The reason is that because no electron passes through the system boundary, so that the only way of energy transfer is by heat. They can only transfer energy by heat. Okay. So that will be our reasoning or argument in this case. Okay. So this is an example in determining whether the energy transfer is by heat or work.